Hey guys, welcome to this week's bus update video. So, this one's a little bit later than the normal bus update video. Got some stuff that I was doing and kind of lost track of time. So, I did film another video that's pretty interesting. So I'll have that to put together. Real quick, one update thing. I put the number 45 on 45's body fluid cleanup kit. I got the idea from R116. It was a Peterman bus, and when they had it, they put the bus's number on the first aid kits, which I kind of liked it. So I happen to have 45 and vinyl numbering in the 2-inch size font, and I went ahead and did that. So I thought it looked pretty good. I also, it was in the 50s, so I took off the winter front. We haven't seen 45 without the winter front in a hot minute. Yeah. As for 66, nothing's new over here. I had all the windows on both buses down earlier, had the hatches popped. I'm getting ready to park this and leave. But I thought I would film a quick video. Nothing new with 3 or 59. Just wanted to show you guys that. And then there is one other thing on 45 I do want to show you. So, for a while I had been wanting to change the reverse light lenses. I finally got around to it, which is what the other video's on. It's a DIY about changing lenses, but that's not the point. So it's the clear style lens. These are actually from 59. These are temporary. I want to get new ones because this one's cracked in one place, but I like these better than the ones that were on it, so they're on here now. Now it looks like 3 because those are what 3 had. I think this is what it would have came with originally, but at some point they replaced the lights, or at least the lenses. Also found out that the backing plates are completely rusted to hell. At least that one is. This one's not that bad, but I can't get them to come off because I was really debating replacing the entire thing, but as of right now, I don't know what I'm going to do. So there's that. Still working on, I want to get the arrow signals, but you guys know that. I'll go ahead and do a startup for 45 for you guys real quick because I do want to reposition it before I leave. So we'll go ahead and do that. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for this week's bus update. I do have 2 videos besides this one I need to put together and upload. One is a 6,000 subscriber, not the special video I was talking about. This is more of a thank you video. So I have to edit it, but hopefully that'll be up soon. And that's pretty much it video-wise, and bus-wise, don't really have anything else. I pretty much showed you everything new. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. And yeah.